জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Look, I'm quite sure that you didn't ask for the photo just to get it framed. There must definitely be a reason behind it. What is it? Nayan, see, you didn't want to say anything about the scent in the flower and the conspiracy to anybody. That's fine. I won't force you. But at least tell me about this, please.
Jeet, Sudha herself broke the glass of the photo frame. And there must be a reason behind it. I have to find out the reason at any cost. I have to find it out.
Shashar, I don't think the holy offering will be distributed so soon. I can't control my greed for the offerings. Hey Lord, please forgive me. Aunt Pratima, did you understand anything?
I can't understand anything, Rangana. I'm really anxious, you know.
Don't worry. It is less sweet. It's better to have less sweets, you know. Otherwise, it may cause diabetes.
Less sweet? What rubbish are you talking about?
The palm fritters. What do you think?
Oh Lord. I am talking about Deepu and Jasmine's wedding. That will happen the day after tomorrow. And where is Nayan? Oh,
My friend is back, yeah.
Nayan? Oh, here you are. Hey girl, where have you been, huh? Where have you been? Don't we get worried, Nayan?
Why did you leave without informing anyone? I couldn't find you anywhere.
You have become so audacious. There is a ritual at home and you have chores to do. So you ran away in order to avoid work.
No, Sanjukta, you are getting it wrong. Nayan is not someone who would avoid work.
Thank Lord. At least you still have this much faith in me, Father.
How much I trust you. How much I depend on you. I can't explain that in words, Nayan.
Hey, listen. Just because Tapabrato gave you the right to call him father, don't misuse the opportunity.
What are you saying? Am I misusing the right to call him father?
Of course you are. You know, Sanjukta, I've noticed that ever since Tapabrato chose Jasmine, this girl has started snapping at him.
So what, Brother Vicky? Does everybody bother about getting stamped? If that was true, I snap at you many times. Even then, you don't seem to mind it.
Pratima, keep quiet. There are new guests in the house. Please don't get started in front of them. By the way, where did you go without informing anyone, Nayan? What happened? I asked you something. I want an answer. If you don't tell me where have you been, I'm not allowing you to stay in this house even if Deepu says so.
Where this Tripto? He was calling Jeet so many times. That means he already knows that I was with Jeet. But why isn't he here?
Can't you hear what I'm saying? Tell me where you went.
See, Nayan, after all. Oh, sorry. You don't understand English, right? No matter what, you are a maid in this house. So if you suddenly go without informing anyone, I mean, if something happens to you on the road, we, the Basu family, will be responsible for it, right?
Hey, our name is Basu, and so is yours. Amazing! It's the same.
No, I mean, I'm not Basu yet, but
Oh no! Then why did you say that? You're the Basu family? You are too much. You exaggerate everything, Chowmein. Anyway, what I was saying is, Mrs. Trinani Basu, where did you go on your own? We couldn't find you.
Nayan did not go alone, Rangana. I went with her.
Oh, you had taken Nayan out. Where?
Is it very important to know the reason, uncle? Strange.
Wait. Of course it's important. Answer Vicky's question.
Okay, fine. Let me tell her. Actually, I'm buying a new car. And I couldn't decide on the color of it. So I took Nayan with me.
Jeet lied in order to save me.
Oh no. What did Jeet do? I lost my face in front of Jayant.
Mrs. Basu, I am going now.
No, Jayant. Where will you go?
Trust me, I don't feel like staying here. Just because Jasmine is adamant, I agreed to stay here. Otherwise, who would want to get his sister married into a family where the sons of the family call maid sister-in-law?
Oh, brother Jayant, that means you also don't want to get your sister married into this family. Hey, Chowmein, hey! You want to marry Tripto without your brother's consent? You aren't doing the right thing. You shouldn't marry without the consent of elders, and listen to me. Wait, let me talk. You just cancel the wedding.
Keep quiet, Rangana. How many times did I tell you not to intervene in everything? And what's wrong with you, Jeet? Will Nayan decide your car's color? The things that means your mother used to do, will now be done by a housemaid. And Nayan, how could you be so shameless? Jeet offered you and you went along.
Jeet is also my master, ma'am. So how could I think of disobeying him?
Oh, forget all this. Everybody is talking so seriously with hard faces. Nobody is talking the actual point. Hey, listen, Jeet. What color of the car has my friend chosen? Tell me.
Black.
Huh? Out of all the colors, why black?
What should I do? I have begun to despise white.
Did he say that about me? How dare he? Nayan, you have chosen the color for the car. Now do what housemaids get to do. Won't you distribute the offerings?
Of course I will, Jasmine, ma'am. I will give you even more. You need the offerings the most. Only God's grace can remove the dirt from one's mind.
What do you want to say? That my sister has a nasty mind?
Yes.
Mr. Basu, how dare your housemate say whatever she wants? That too in front of you to the girl you chose for your son.
No, Nayan didn't mean to say that. You are getting agitated for no reason, Jayant.
Not without reason. Not at all without reason, Tapabrato. If you want to cover up for Nayan, you may do that, but she has to answer. Hey you, why did you insult Jasmine? Where do you get such audacity?
Audacity? I have neither the audacity nor the right that I can insult Jasmine, ma'am. I said all that because Jasmine, ma'am, is going to start a new life. So she needs to shake off the old dust and start afresh with a very fresh mind.
What is it? Why is she staring at me like this again? I hope she doesn't say anything troublesome in front of everybody.
Let your new life be filled with flowers. I have a very strong desire that I'll decorate your wedding stage with your favorite flowers, you know?
Why is she stressing on the word flower?
I will put flowers on you too. Flower crown, flower garland, everything will be made with your favorite flowers. You will see how I will surround you with your favorite flowers scent.
I'll put flowers on you. In the guise of saying this, Nayan seems to be charging Jasmine.
Why is Nayan speaking like this? Today, she seems off. There must be a secret that she is not telling us.
Yes, this is how a maid should speak. You will adorn Jasmine and decorate the wedding dais too. And yes, I want you to blow the conch shell during the wedding rituals too. I hope you don't mind, Jasmine.
Yes, let it be. First, do what Jasmine asked you to do. You were asked to distribute the offerings long ago. Instead of doing that, you were just blabbering. See, Sanjukta? She has mastered the art of dodging her job. Do what you're being told. Distribute the offerings. Start doing it now.
Oh no. I avoided distributing the offerings earlier. But now Uncle Vicky is insisting on it. I've kept the photo of Sudha and his father hidden outside. If anyone sees the photo outside while I work, it'll lead to multiple questions. No. It has to be removed first. But what should I do now? What do I do?
What's the matter? Did you start sweating in the name of work? Nayan, one must learn from you how to dodge one's work. Do what you've been instructed.
Yes, sir. I just came back from outside. Actually, it is not nice to distribute the offerings of Lord in the same clothes. I'll just change my clothes and return. I'll be back in a jiffy, okay? I'll be back.
What is happening? Why is Nayan talking about flowers so much? Why is she obsessed with flowers? Nayan went outside with the flowers and now she's charging you with them. I think she has found out about it. Keep an eye on her, okay? Otherwise, it will be a disaster.
The scent of flowers, the scent of death. Can you smell them, Nayan?
No, they smell beautiful. Smell them.
take them
Come on,
away.
Smell them.
Around a month before Sudha's demise. I don't know, but suddenly one day, she framed this photograph and gave it to me.
I have to find out the secret behind those flowers and the photograph before Dripto and Jasmine's wedding at any cost. My heart says that's the evidence. I'll unmask Jasmine and her brother in front of everyone. This is how the wedding can be called off. There is no other way.
Jeet? How could you insult me in front of everybody? I'm talking to you. You're ignoring me.
What's wrong with you, Mom?
What's wrong with me? How can you snatch my rights like this? When I'm here, how could you take Nayan to choose the color of your car?
What's the problem with it?
There is a problem. There definitely is a problem. Instead of admitting your mistake, you're cross-questioning me. Okay. Don't call me Mom from now on.
I'll be very happy.
What did you say?
You heard that right. I did not feel like calling you Mom anyway. So it's good that you asked me to do it yourself. So from now on, I will call you. I'll call you Madam. Exactly the way Nayan addresses you.
Give it to me. I'll arrange them.
No. Said quietly.
Hey, what happened?
Get up. I will distribute the offerings to everyone. You go and give them to Dripto. Dripto was looking for you. He even went out to look for you. Then, after receiving a phone call, his expression changed. Since then, he has been in his room and is not coming out.
His expressions changed after the phone call. Whose call was that?